Hello everyone, in this video we will be looking into the support and resistance. As a trader, you guys must know what is support and resistance. As always, the top line will be the resistance. Why? The price is being resisted on this line. Then the below line will be the support. The price is being supported by this line. It is an invisible line. You guys won't be seeing in the naked chart. We have to mark it. So always when we move to a line chart, we can see these sharp corners like A and then these sharp corners as V. So these are called as a support and resistance zones. So you guys can mark the lines here based on the sharp corners here. Then what time frame you guys can use? You guys can start to use from M5 until MN, so monthly. So you guys can use in M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, daily, weekly and everything. M1 I don't suggest because it is too fast and then it can be break easily. So in the real chart, the line will be looking like this. There will be many A's here and then B's here. Okay, can I take this as a support and resistance as well? Yes, you guys can take. So let's say if this is an H4 time frame, you guys can mark here as a major support and resistance. Here you guys can mark as well. As you guys can see here, there are two resistance here, one support here. So this one act as a zone. So we call that as a RBS zone or SBR zone. Support become resistant or resistant become support. Here it acts as a resistant and then here it acts as a support. So the resistance here become the support here. So if you guys want to make any entry, right? So whenever it enter this zone and then you guys know this resistance become support here, you guys can entry buy here. And then here as a major resistance zone here, you guys can sell here. And then when it hit the support here again, can buy here. So it repeats. And then here, you guys can see this might not touch perfectly here, but you guys can make a zone by converting this into a smaller time frame, maybe M15 or M30. You guys might see a shadow in the candle. So for that, here the example for the candlestick. So maybe here you guys can see there's a support here. One touch, two touch. Two is considered as a strong support as well. Here you guys can see there is a resistance and then support. So here there's a two touch, here there's a 1, 2, 3, and then fourth touch it already break out. So always when the price break out any support or resistance, let's say here it break out the support, it will come back to the previous support which is now a resistance. And then now what you guys can do, you guys can sell here. If it break here, don't do anything, don't entry, sell here. It is a big wrong. You guys have to wait for the pullback, or we can call this as a retracement. Because it is respecting its previous support, it will test back the previous support and then it will become resistance. So this zone we call as a SBR, support become resistance. That's it guys. We will continue on the next video on the trading view chart. Simple je.